Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Best Life and Beyond.
We are here at Birch Street in Brea. Just a place I kind of wanted to come to today and get a little bit of lunch. Oddly, just it's been really hard to eat, so
yeah,
figured this would be it's like one of the times where you have to kind of like eat what you're craving because nothing tastes good.
Yeah.
And I wanted to look in Bath and Body Works, and just again, we're trying to kind of cheer ourselves up and stay busy and do what we can to honor our binky.
Yep.
And thought we would.
We're far away from people, so we don't have masks on. We will put them on obviously once we get down there in the public, but we are completely away and up and away from everybody. I've never been here. It's really cool. A little outdoor mall type of thing. I keep seeing the word Brea.
Yeah.
What's it called? Brea?
It's Birch Street, Brea.
Birch Street,
Brea. Kind of like the little promenade street area. I used to come here all the time growing up, and I mean, it's just one of my local places growing up. I came all the time. Tower Records, there's an old Tower Records, there was a Farrell's at one point.
Yeah, all sorts of restaurants and little shops and things.
Yeah. It used to be like a main like hub for you know, movie theaters and stuff, but those don't exist in 2020, so we'll see what they have down here, and it'll be fun. And also joining us, he's here for the weekend, our buddy, our friend, our family, Pixar Charlie. There he is. Look at you with that orange background, dude.
Hey, you know, I tried something different.
Looks good with you. Yeah, it does. It's a nice little contrast with your skin tone.
Thank you.
The director of photography approves. We're in the market for some serious mac and cheese. Are you a fan?
Oh, I love mac and cheese. Are you kidding me?
So we're gonna go indulge in that if you'd care to join us.
Yeah, let's do it.
Return of the Mac. Don't worry. Brie happy. Oh, roses are red and violets are blue cheese. To brie or not to brie, Charlie? That is the question.
That's a bowl of noodles right there.
Yeah.
Spence, this should be like your motto. Age is not important unless you are cheese.
Yeah, exactly.
I've always wanted to take you here.
I just think we're really good at together. I mean, I'm just, right? People have said it, but I kind of, somehow it just popped into my head that I was feeling that, and I just wanted to express that. It has nothing to do with this video. Just want to let you know that.
Thank you.
Spence, that was kind of cheesy.
True. Sorry. All right, here's the menu. Elbows mac and cheese, and there's Katie's elbow right there. So this is kind of interesting. You can build your own mac, choose the size, noodles, cheese, veggies, proteins, and spices. I might be going there. Half mac? No, I'm not halving this situation. Nope. Oh, there's also a trio. Choose any 3 large macs. There's some mini bows for the kids. Chicken macsala. Oh, it's because the tikka masala. Chicken tikka masala, but with mac is what it is. That's what it is. Okie dokie artichoke. Parmesan mozzarella cream cheese mac with spinach artichoke. Ooh.
I can't decide, Spence. There's tons of awesome ideas on here.
I know, because everything involves cheese, so you can't really go wrong.
You can't go wrong.
For me. Look at this UFO lamp. They're like elbow macaroni pieces. So I told Spencer you should likely just build your own. So why don't you do that? I'm a control freak. This works for me. Yeah, but you just love, you saw all the cheeses and you're like, oh. Look at this. You can choose 2 of these cheeses, veggies, the proteins. You can get garlic. Spices. I mean, you literally are building. Oh. So, almost as much as I like that. I already ordered mine, by the way. I got the blue box and then I added bacon. There's a picture of that chicken macsala, the tikka masala, like with the Indian spices. That looks, I kind of want to try that. I didn't want it to be my first thing that I tried here, but I do want to try that. Macsala is a recipe. I like tikka masala, so. Interesting. Indian spices, peppers, and onions. Says it's best paired with Stone IPA. Oh yeah, and there's the Stone IPA in the back. I'm not a fan.
That's right by my house.
Is it?
Really? Oh, you're right.
Escondido.
That's right.
That's where Stone's located.
You're
it's
right.
about 20 minutes away from my house.
Now, are you an IPA fan?
No.
I'm not either.
Unfortunately, no.
They're very strong.
Yeah.
Like as far as beers go, Katie, like it just has a very sharp bite to it, and a lot of people are into that. I don't like anything really sharp. Like I don't like sharp cheese either. Oh, I do. That's what I got. You do. You are a cheese. That's why I brought you here, because you're a cheeseaholic. Yeah. Literally, you're a cheeseaholic. So this place that used to be a Claim Jumper, it closed down a while ago, and it is called the Dylan, and I've wanted to take Dylan there now that it's open. Oh, that's so great. Yeah. Is that Dylan and Michael flying that plane? It is. And the best part about Orange County is that houses our Mickey Mouse. Look at that. Aren't you glad we saw a hidden Mickey in this little picture? Yep. And there's a wide shot of the little phrasing wall, as I'm calling it. Charlie and I were talking when we pulled up how funny that we ended up wanting to come here because mac and cheese is such a comfort food. Yeah.
of all the times that we've ever needed comfort food more than ever.
Yeah, I agree with the comfort food thing, as well as mac and cheese. Just goes beyond everything for me.
Every time I would come down here, I would always be like, dang, I really need to bring Spencer. Remember when I would tell you? I'd be on the phone with you. I'm like, you don't know, there's a place that was created for you. Yeah. Like, this is your little Disneyland.
Oh, yes, it is. So Katie noticed if you look up in here, the lights, they're all kind of that cheese color yellow. Is that does that represent dripping cheese, according to you? And
then like that is like always reminding me of Swiss cheese.
Oh yeah.
And back when I was a teenager, this place was
God, that might have been, that was a long time ago, wasn't it?
Sadly it was. I mean, it was like long enough. But yeah, this was a pizza place.
So what you're trying to say is that cheese has always been the thing here.
It's always been here.
Yeah.
We're gonna take our food and find a place to eat. They have a lot of like picnic and patio.
Okay, so we're gonna eat over here, picnic patio this way, and what used to be an active movie theater before the pandemic has now become the picnic patio. And it's so weird. We're sitting here, which is great. We just had our table cleaned off. It's just so weird to see the ticket booth. Like, look at all the computer systems have been taken out. It's like, it's so weird to see that. Looky here.
This is like everything Spencer likes.
This is the big reveal, as they call it in the biz.
Oh no, the big reveal. The big reveal is this.
Oh, you're gonna, Lord have mercy. Oh my gosh.
That's the big reveal. So you can kind of see, but I'll put it back so that you can.
You've exposed the broccoli, Katie.
I got the blue box, which is like cheddar and then, you know, just the regular cheese, and then I just add bacon.
Yeah, it looks kind of more traditional.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, it is everything you would want and more.
What did Charlie get?
I have no idea. I got mac and cheese and like 4 cheeses or something like that.
You got the 4 cheese.
I got 4 cheese.
I got the 4 cheese, okay.
Charlie, you have got this sprecker root beer. Look, there is a kind of a, is that a crow? What is that?
Looks like a black crow.
It's a black crow and a sprecher. I have chosen a Blue Moon Belgian White, and why I'm still using this accent, I do not know.
I'm so excited to see what you think of the mac and cheese.
I'm gonna take a sip of this Blue Moon Belgian White real quick.
Amen to that. I'm taking a drink of my Diet Coke. Cheers.
There it is. Just like I remember.
Do you like the mac and cheese?
You know.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
All right, Spencer, this is the moment of truth. I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Look at that. Oh, I can smell the garlic.
Yeah, you added garlic, right?
Oh, yeah.
Was it what I thought you would think?
Perfect. It's literally like the way I wanted it.
Right.
Kind of what I was, you know, I was building my own, so I was imagining what that would taste like, and it's everything I wanted it to be.
And
so.
I figured, that's why I thought you would love this place, and it turns out I was right.
Ooh,
I'm so happy.
There's a piece of broccoli right there.
Ooh.
You know, I'm trying to keep the healthy aspect involved in this thing.
Yeah, yeah. That's how you do it. I'm gonna eat a couple more bites. The good part is we'll definitely have to go, and it'll keep. And
that, my friends, is how you do it. You have to just you know, devour all of it, and I did that.
No, you didn't. You're a liar.
All right, I ate 3/4 of it, and we're saving. All right, I ate 3/4 of it, but we're saving.
And I ate like I ate 25%. You ate 75%.
Yes.
Now we have the ultimate leftover.
Yes, we
So we have
do.
one whole pot.
And Charlie?
I don't believe in leftovers. I ate the whole dang thing. Okay.
So there's air conditioning coming out of that little hole, and it's about 102.
This is the survival hole.
Yeah.
Survival tunnel.
Why don't you stick your head in there and get some... Does that feel good? I can kind of feel it a little bit.
It's divine. Yeah, you gotta try that. This flower is a wilted.
I want to go over to Bath & Body Works across the street.
Will that make you smile?
Yes.
We will do that.
Right there is where we're going next.
All right, Katie is dragging us into Bath & Body Works. Charlie, I'm sorry, dude. Sorry. Ooh, it's cool in here though, so.
Okay, I'll go.
I was gonna say.
Oh my gosh, the air conditioning's amazing. Give me my hand sanitizer.
Ooh, it smells good.
Ooh, you smell that? That's so nice. Thank you, Bath and
What's
Body
the
Works.
scent?
It's the aloe vera scent.
Ooh, smells good. So our idea is we want to look at fall. I want to look at the fall and Halloween stuff. Not everything's in, but if we can just get a little bit,
Hey,
that
look,
would
there's
be
a
nice.
mummy arm right there.
That's air conditioning, Spencer. Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
I'll be right here. I'm not going anywhere. I found it again. Look. Dude, I didn't think it could get better. Look.
You're blocking it from everybody else. So here's some of the fall stuff. There's the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, which is a little too sweet for me. Pumpkin pecan waffles. These Vanna
I'm
Whiting.
gonna catch them in case they fall. You said they're gonna fall, right?
Yeah, I said that. Hot cocoa and cream. That's interesting. This is new and I love the packaging. Coconut pumpkin latte. I love the foaming soaps. Those are my favorite. And then we have pumpkin spice latte. Blueberry maple pancakes. Wow, look at all this. Now I ended up getting the pumpkin apple. That's one of my favorites. So I got this soap and I got the 1 wick candle that's in the jar to match it. Bright citrus sunflower. I think you actually would like this, Spence. Autumn woods.
Well, I like the woods
and crisp morning air.
yeah.
Marshmallow fireside, I don't like. It's too. I don't think you'd like pumpkin cupcake. You
No.
don't like sweet stuff, which is.
I'm just not into I'm not into pumpkin spice and like.
Which makes me not like you.
I like this one.
Ooh, afternoon apple picking.
It's because he likes apple pie.
He does. Look at this cute soap holder.
Oh, that's
That is
foxy.
adorable. That is so cute. And this is like a little candle holder for it to match. I
like
love
holiday.
these. Yeah, these are like, yeah, it's like fall and winter. And then we also have these fall candle holders.
I have found the world's best 3-wick candle. Guaranteed!
Now here's what I've been waiting for. This is all the Halloween stuff. So this soap is called Candy Corn Treats. Oh my gosh, Spencer. Perfect Pumpkin. We're gonna have to get that. Ooh, Happy Haunting. I wonder what that smells like. I'll have to mess with that. There's cute, there's some cute soap holders and candle holders. These are really cute. These are the wallflowers. So you put the scent in right there and it's a little night light and it lights up.
That is so cool.
Yeah, these are really cool. So I'm sure more are coming out, but this is just the first one.
Those are $14.50.
Yeah, not bad. The other scent that they got for Halloween is Ghoul Friend.
Will you be my ghoul friend?
We got Vampire Blood for the last of the Halloween soaps.
Ooh.
Oh, they have Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin.
Look at that.
These are the wallflowers. This is just a few of them. They light up 24/7 and you put your scent in there.
Those are cool.
Yeah, they really smell good.
Hand soap 6 for $26. That seems like a good deal, yes? I don't know. I don't come here, so. Okay, I found the other mummy arm. He has 2 arms. Here's the other one. No, it's just a vent for this amazing air conditioning that we're experiencing, but I like to think because we're in that season and approaching, it's a mummy arm. And look, they got their plexiglass up for their checkout. They're, you know, doing all the necessary requirements. Welcome back. We missed you, Bath and Body Works. Well, we missed you too. Well, Katie did. I don't come here a lot, but I like it. It's very cool. Hey, look, kind of a hidden Mickey, sunflower hidden Mickey right there.
So now we are off to Starbucks.
Alrighty, we're following you.
So this is something I used to do a lot here, but like you can come and paint something, and I wanted to do the little pumpkin jack-o'-lantern thing.
Oh, yeah.
And you can paint it.
Okay.
And sit out front and do it.
Cool.
God, it's fun.
Okay, heading into Starbs. You used to call it Starbs, remember? All right, y'all take a load off here. I've reserved this table for us. I know some people. We're across from the movie theater where that good air conditioning was. We don't have that luxury here. It doesn't reach all the way over here, but
But at least you're drinking something cold,
yes.
so that'll make up for it.
We got some iced coffees. Charlie got a water, a venti water, very tall. I want to see you drink all of that, please, sir.
No problem.
Okay. The cool thing about where we're sitting right here is that this whole thing has been added since the whole dilemma. Because look, here's the curb to the street. We are literally sitting in where the cars would park on the side of the street.
My car used to park when I came to
Right.
Bath and Body Works.
instead now we're gonna park our butts here and enjoy ourselves.
Look at that, they put the deck in perfectly level with the curb, so
flush.
it's raised up.
Yeah,
perfect.
No insurance issues there.
Yeah,
this view is really cool. It reminds me of Tomorrowland a little bit right here. Almost like that's the rocket right there where the Brea sign is, and I don't know, just
Very
feeling
modern.
it. Yeah. All right, well that wraps it up. You guys have fun? That was cool.
Yeah, it was definitely good. It was good to get, you know, again, it's like every day is a new challenge, but it's good to spend time and get some fresh air and
yeah,
you know, take the focus instead of sitting at home crying.
Yeah,
we're just get enough of that.
Yeah, we're just trying to kind of embrace our new reality. That's all it is, and let it not be such a twilight zone, and just accept it for what it is. And we're trying, and it's tough, and it's not easy. And
again, we just can't do it without you guys. I hope you know how much like your thoughts, your prayers, everything, your words of kindness have actually like helped us wake up in the morning, and I really think we feel your energy and your strength, and it gives us the motivation to get out here, as well as, you know, keeping the memory alive of, you know, our little baby girl. So thank you.
It is so true. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
That's right. We will see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye bye, everybody.